everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this wig that I have on my head is another headband unit, but it's coming from a different company. This is actually a new company that I have teamed up with. So this is coming from the Kryssma company on Amazon. So that's right, as we always say, me and Kryssma have teamed up to bring you guys another special wig review. I was hit up by them. I was actually excited because they were giving me a curly unit that is a little bit longer than the one that I previously have done. So far so good. It's anytime that you get a headband unit, they usually work the same way. So if you want to know how a headband wig works, I will leave a link below of the previous one that I've done, but they're pretty much the same. But the one thing that I do like about this particular company, about the Kryssma company, it comes, you know, they give you a box. They give you a box. Ooh, that was Southern. They give you a box. But the one thing I like about it is they actually give you headbands. And so I will be doing a headband haul very soon. But I love the fact that since you got a headband unit, they gave you headbands. And they're really cute. Like there's this tropical one. You got this real pretty, another tropical one, but it's blue. And then, of course, the infamous cheetah print. How can you not have a headband wig without not having a cheetah print? The particular unit that I have that's by them, it is one, like I said, it's a headband unit. So there you go. You can see the headband. I did not do anything to my baby hair, so don't come for me in the comments, please. This particular headband I did get from another pack of headbands. So this is not the headband that comes with this one. I just showed you the three that came in there. It is 150 density. This is wavy hair, and mine is in 20 inches. And I actually like that. This is something that I could wear to work, running errands. Like I went to go vote today. So this is literally what I had on. I did my really cute natural looking makeup, had my mask on, and it gave me realness vibes. Like it doesn't look like it's too short and it's not too long. This is actually really believable, and I really love this unit. I love the length of it. The texture of it is awesome. Just to give you a couple of details about the unit, there are 3 combs in the front. So there's 2 right here, 1 at the very top, and then there's 1 in the back. This particular unit did not come with adjustable straps, but it does come with the Velcro, the Velcro strap to make sure that the headband is on there. I do have on a silicone wig cap. I have a silicone wig band on, so that way my wig doesn't move, it doesn't shift. I can do a little bit of everything. This is probably going to be my Sunday wig if I'm in a rush, or it's going to be my running errands wig. Well, one of my running errands wig. I don't know why I like curly hair when I'm running errands. It makes so much sense to me, I guess. But yes, I love it. I think it's very cute, very natural looking. She's very easy. I know there's a lot of people that's out there that are getting over and tired of the headband wigs, but I'm not gonna lie to you. For some people out there, this is a lifesaver, and I'm actually happy that they have improved headband wigs. So I'm here for it. I love it. I think it's very cute, very darling. So if you don't like it, then I'm sorry. The next couple videos, they're gonna be about headband wigs. I'm sorry, you guys, but like I said, I like them. If you want to check out the Kryssma company, make sure you hit the links down below. Make sure you visit their Amazon page. Make sure you buy something and let them know that the Tame One sent you. So as always, everyone, if this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye!